And here we go. It's finally lecture number 3 to myself and for you to listen into. It is the first day of 2021, and we hope that it for sure will be a better year. And the lecture I'm going to give myself today is the one I need to give myself every year and I give almost every day. That is, who are you? What business are you in? What do you do? What do you want? And how do you want to serve people? So, here we go. Tell me again, Stan, what is this Creator Entrepreneur Institute all about? Well, a good friend who is with us as a friend and a follower of my longtime work and who supports and wishes me and Karen all the best said that to me. He said, "Tell me again, Stan, what is this Creator Entrepreneur Institute all about?" And so I did what we all should do from time to time, seek to put into words, number one, who we are trying to help and serve, and number two, what do they want, and number three, how we can help them. This is what I said and sent to my friend, and I would be grateful if you perhaps would allow me to share it with you on this New Year's Day. We seek to be of help to those seeking to be entrepreneurs. In particular, those who are Jesus-led creator entrepreneurs, those who want to be entrepreneurs, and many of those who want to just think and act like an entrepreneur in their own career. We want to work and help people start a business. So we are involved with startup entrepreneurs, and we continue to coach and assist and work with established entrepreneurial business owners and leaders who they want their business to go and to grow and can improve in their creative ideas, in their influence and in their impact, and yes, even in their true income. The people we can help are those who want to be strong and less afraid. And they would be grateful if they could have the special smarts, strategies, and the skills to be masters at personal marketing and branding, masters at sharing their story, their wisdom, and their insight, and helpfulness to others. That's what it's all about. They would like to be masters at selling their good stuff and their services, and thereby be able to build a great team and a great company. And it would be great if all of this can be done in a Jesus way, because that's who they serve, seek to imitate, and who is their master. Ultimately, they would like to be known as a person, a business leader, an entrepreneur who is recognized by others as having had a significant God event, a SGE in their life and business. Indeed, they seek God's special wisdom, insight, strength, and direction so they can be more fully alive and less fearful, and they can build a business that matters and makes a difference. So, if this describes you, I think we can help you. That's what I said to my friend, and that's what I need to say to me every day. And you need to have a similar exercise. And this is just a simple way of telling myself and perhaps letting you listen in, because together in 2021, when everybody is in crisis and chaos and seeking to know how they can deal with change, we have some special wisdom. It is God's special wisdom, insight, power and strength, purpose and direction, and a prayerful way to live and do business. And we think we can help you do that so that this year will not only be much better in 2021, we might decide that the whole thing was worthwhile. for all of us, and for the commonwealth of all, and of course, for the eternal kingdom that has been promised to us all. Best and blessings. We hope to see you a lot in this new and better year. Bye for now.